Welcome back, collectors, to another episode of Carey Collects. In today's video, we're opening up 2022-2023 Upper Decks MVP Hockey. In this break, we're looking to get colors and contour cards. We're looking to get inserts including encounters on ice and pinpoints. Autographs and redemptions are 1 in 400 packs, so those are a pretty tough pull. We're looking for Owen Power, Matty Beniers, Matt Boldy, Kent Johnson, Marco Rossi. There's lots of rookies in this product. So hopefully we can pull some of them. All right. We got 20 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. And we're just going to dive right in. All right. We got Shane Gotchespierre. We got Josh Anderson, Marc-Andre Vlasic, and our first insert is a domain of Roman Josi. All right, it's got his flag in the back. All right, we got Drake Batherson, Ice Battles, overalls in 85. All right, we got Matthew Barzal, Jacob Voracek, Anthony Cirelli. All right, this is my first time opening up a Hobby Box MVP. Excited to share with you guys on the channel. We got Brandon Saad, Carter Verhaeghe, and we have this could be a pinpoint of Jonathan Marchessault. Not numbered or anything like that. We have another Ice Battle, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Ooh, and look at that. Our first rookie of Kent Johnson. That's a good pull there. Seems like he's already been following me around. Nikita Kucherov, Cam Talbot, and Kaprizov. All right, we got Johnny Gaudreau, Jesse Puljujarvi, Victor Hedman, and this is a pinpoint here of Steven Stamkos. All right. In the back, we got Casey Mittelstadt for an Ice Battles. Overall 77. Tyler Bertuzzi, Jordan Binnington, and Anze Kopitar. We got Travis Konechny, Philip Forsberg, Casey Mittelstadt, and we got a silver script of Cam Talbot for the Minnesota Wild. All right. Got Travis Konechny Ice Battles. In the back, we got Elias Lindholm, Ryan Reeves, and Artemi Panarin. We got Andrew Magnapani, Zach Hyman, and we have a Seth Jones for the Blackhawks. MVP, all right. Adam Fox, Ice Battles. Jacob Galvis, rookie for the Blackhawks. Rupe Hintz, Marchessault, and Granlund. Got John Tavares, Nikolai Ehlers, silver, oh, we missed one here. Jamie Olsiak, and we got a silver script of Thomas Tatar. It'd be nice to pull a real auto out of this. Got a MVP of Jacob Markstrom, Ice Battles. Overall out of 88. Kuznetsov, Carter Hart, and Nico Hischier. We got Marcus Foligno, Josh Bailey, Bo Horvat. Ooh, what do we got here? A gold script of Mikko Rantanen. Not numbered or anything like that, but that's a nice player to pull. We got Erik Karlsson, Ice Battles. We got Chris Letang, Sebastian Aho, and Rasmus Dahlin. We got Alex Killorn, Robbie Fabry, Michael Bunting, and on ice encounters of Wayne Simmons and Charlie McAvoy. Seems like we're not getting very many rookies out of this product. We got Tyler Toffoli, Ice Battles. All right. William Karlsson, Monahan, and Lucas Raymond's second year. Eli Tolvanen, Ryan Suter, Matt Duchene, and we got a silver script of Brad Marchand, the Rat, Ice Battles of Brent Burns, got David Perron, Adam Fox, and Elvis Merzlikins. Got Thatcher Demko, Chris Kreider, Josh Norris. This card's sticking. But we got a pinpoint of Sidney Crosby. We'll take anything Sidney Crosby. Got Ice Battles of Elvis Merzlikins. Philip Grubauer, Nick Suzuki, and Jonathan Huberdeau. We got Connor Brown, Brock Nelson, Alex Lafreniere, and we got a Cole Caulfield, Domains with his flag in the background. We got Philip Forsberg and an Ice Battles, Jeremy Swayman, Elias Pettersson, and Gabriel Landeskog. Got Alexander Barkov, Kevin LeBlanc. Oh, okay, we're not missing the card there. Maybe we got a couple inserts. We got a Jack Eichel gold script of some sort. I honestly don't know what that is. We got a Marcus Foliano, Ice Battles. And we got a Matt Boldy rookie. Another good pull there on the rookies. We'll take Matt Boldy all day. Teuvo Teravainen, Anton Lundell, and Sonny Milano. We got Matt Dumba, Ryan Johansson, Cam Atkinson, and we got a pinpoint of Alex DeBrincat. All right. Jonathan Drouin. And we have another rookie of Dylan Samberg for the Winnipeg Jets. Maybe our rookies are all filing in now. Brent Burns and Dylan Larkin. Got Thomas Hertl, Henry Yokiharu, Tom Wilson, and Akryl Kaprizov, silver script. That's of his second year. Troy Terry, Ice Battles, Brock Besser, Jack Hughes, and Jack Campbell. Got Zach Werenski, Mark Stone, and who do we got here? Jordan Eberle. That gold, I honestly don't know what that kind of card that is, but I've had a few of them. Carey Price, Ice Battles. Overall's 90. We got a Jordan Spence rookie for the LA Kings. All right. We got Spencer Knight, Alex Iafallo, and Cole Caulfield. Got Josh Morrissey, Drake Batherson, Jacob Markstrom, and a Jack Eichel Domain. All right. We got a Dylan Larkin, Ice Battles. No colors or contours yet. Erik Karlsson, Carey Price, and Tyler Toffoli. Got Nazem Kadri, Timo Meier, Jamie Drysdale, and a Lucas Raymond Domain. Looks a little different. We We got Eric Kallgren, Ice Battles. We got Tyler Seguin, Samuel Girard, and Steven Stamkos. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Jonathan Drouin, and this is a gold pinpoint of Andrei Svechnikov. That's a decent pull there. He's been lighting it up lately. Jack Roslovic, that's 8 Ice Battles. All right, we got a Lucas Dostal, rookie for the Ducks. Troy Terry, Miro Heiskanen, and Jonathan Taves. All right, down to our final 2 packs. If you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, please hit the like button, subscribe button, share it, leave in the comments what you would like me to open. Shattenkirk, we got a silver script of Jesper Bratt. Ooh, and an Ice Battles and Matty Beniers. We are pulling the decent rookies, the top 5 that we are wanting. We got Nicholas Backstrom, Rickard Rakell, and David Pastrnak. So we haven't got a colors and contours yet. I don't know if we're supposed to be getting one, but if it's here, this is where it's going to be. All right, we got Thomas Chabot, Andre Kemp, Sam Bennett, and that gold script of Matthew Tkachuk. All right, we got Kolichenkov. I messed that up. Ice Battles. All right, Adam Raska, James Van Riemdijk, and Devin Taves. All right, well, thank you guys so much for tuning in to Carey Collects. If you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, please hit that like and subscribe button. Leave in the comments if you'd like me to open up anything else. And thank you.